Hello student, welcome to your data structure lab using C. In the previous session we have discussed about the searching technique linear search, and in this video class we will discuss about another searching technique, that is binary searching. So let's discuss about it. Binary searching is an algorithm that is used to find the position of an element in a sorted array. Means we search the element in a sorted array. The array should be sorted prior to applying a binary search. Okay, and binary search also known as binary chop, half interval search, etc. So first of all, the binary search algorithm work by comparing the element to be searched, means the key element with the middle element of the array, and based on the comparison it do the desired. First it check with the middle element and the key element. If it found, it return the index value, means it return the position. And if the key element is greater than the middle element of the array, if the key element is greater than middle element, then it will search the array from the middle plus 1 to the last element. Okay, means the search beginning from the middle plus 1, because the key element is greater than middle element and it is a sorted array. And if the element is less than the middle, then it will search from the beginning of the element to the middle minus 1 element. Okay, means the principle is based on the divide and conquer. Okay, so let's see an example. If there is 10 element in an array, this is the array having 10 element, and we are searching the element 31 from the array, and this is a sorted array. Okay, then first of all it will go for the middle element, and it found 0 plus high minus low, means 0 plus 9, 9 minus 0, that is 9. So 0 plus 9 by 2 means the middle element is the fourth element. So the fourth element is 27. Okay, then 31 is greater than 27. Then the next array will be middle plus 1, means from 5th to n element, means from 5th to 9. Again the middle element will be 5. Okay, then plus 9. Okay, so 5 plus 9, that is 14. 14 by 2, that is 7, means the middle element is 7, and 7 is 35. So the 31 is less than 35, means then it will check in this two element, means from 5 and 6. And from 5 and 6, the middle element will 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 by 2 means 5. Then the middle element is 5. Then 5 is when compared with key element, means 31. So the number is found at 5th position. Okay, so by this way it check the array by dividing the array into two part and check with the middle part. Okay, means it work on divide and conquer principle. First of all, the array is a sorted array, then it will find the middle position and check the middle element with the key element. If the key element is greater than, then it will go for the right side sub array and check it from the right side sub array, and if the key element is less than it, then it will go for the left side sub array. Okay, so by this way it will check on in the array. So let's discuss the program. So first of all, we are declaring our array with 100 element, and we store the key element in search. Then first, last, middle are the first, last, middle, n and c. These are the temporary variable. So first of all, enter the number of element, means how many number you want to store in the array, that is stored on n, and using for loop you are entering the element in the array. Then enter the value to found, mean the key element that is stored in the search. First time the first value is 0 and the last value is n minus 1. Okay, and the middle will be first plus last by 2. Okay, and if first is less than equal to last, while first is less than equal to last. Okay, so the array middle, if array middle is less than search, then first will be middle plus 1. Okay, means if array middle means search is greater than array middle, then the first will be middle plus 1, and if the array middle is equal to search, means the number is found and we will display the location. Okay, otherwise the if the array middle is greater than search, then the last element will be middle minus 1, means if the key element is less than array middle, then the last will be middle minus 1, means from the left side of the array. Okay, and after that again we will find the middle element, means first plus last by 2. So this way it continue until it found the search element, or it will, if it is not found, then it will display that the number is not present in the list. So let's execute it in C. So double click on C++, start Turbo C++. Okay. So open the binary search program, bsearch. So this is the binary search program. So first of all, we have declared the temporary variable C first, last, middle, n, and search. Search is the key element, and array with 100 element. Then enter the number of element, means how many number you want to store in the array. Then enter the integer in the array using for loop. After that it is asking for the enter value to found, means the search element that is stored in the search variable. Here first equal to 0 and last equal to n minus 1. Then middle will be first plus last by 2. We are finding the middle value. Then if we are using here while loop, while first is less than equal to last, means first is less than equal to last, then until that we check the array middle. If the array middle is less than the key element, okay, means key element is less than array middle, then when array middle is less than key element, the first will be middle plus 1, means the search will be start from the middle plus 1 element, and if else if it will check if array middle is equal to search, means if the array middle is equal to the key element, it will display the search location, means number is found. Okay, then it will break, it will not search again. Otherwise it again check it will go to the, means the key element is less than array middle. Okay, so it will go for the last will be middle minus 1, means from the left side array. Okay, and then if again it will calculate the middle position, means from first plus last by 2. So this will continue until the first is less than equal to last and the number is found. If the number is not found and first will be greater than last, then it will print the number is not found from the array. So compile it, then run, enter number of element 6, then enter element in a sorted order So then enter value to find means number to search 41. Okay, 41 in the location 5. So by this way we can find an element from an array using binary search. So write down the program of binary search with its output. Okay. So this complete your all searching technique of data structure, linear searching and binary searching. Thank you.